Hi guys and welcome back on GSM ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to enable LED flash for alerts on iPhone 14, and the method is the same also for 14 Plus, Pro and Pro Max. So let's do it. So to do that, just go to settings and here go down and press on accessibility. Now here again go down and press on audio visual, and here go down again and we have LED flash for alerts. Just press on this feature and from here you can enable LED flash. Just press on this, and also you can enable flash while unlocked, or if you don't want, just disable. And also you can disable or enable flash in silent mode. Now let's test this function. I will call on this phone. And as you can see, it's working very well. Now I will stop the call. And now I'm back, and I hope this tutorial to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.